Government-run schools will now be able to make copies of licensed work on a non-exclusive basis based on a new agreement between the Ministry of Education and the Jamaica Copyright Licensing Agency, JamCopy. The agreement allows for copying without legal repercussions for authorized purposes only. Discussions surrounding the legal use of copyright material in education have been going on for almost 2 decades. On Wednesday, the Education Ministry inked an agreement with JamCopy, allowing the sector more freedom to use these materials.
The license agreement being signed today with JamCopy authorizes the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information and the public schools on a non-exclusive basis to make copies of licensed works for use by authorized persons for the authorized purposes in accordance with the provision of the license. In the current environment, we're also pleased to note that the license agreement allows public schools to access digital copies of published materials within a secure space.
The agreement covers an initial 3-year period, after which it is expected to be renewed. As Acting Principal Director in the Ministry's Information Division, Dwayne Cargill explains, it is also subject to specific guidelines and limitations, such as only 20% of any one book may be copied.
Schools sometimes would have course collections where they would take work from different texts to make a course pack or a course collection. You can only include in that 20% of licensed work. You can make copies of an entire newspaper or periodic article, single short story, play or poem from a published work that contains other published work.
Minister Williams said, in addition to the efforts of the teams involved, the copyright agreement was put among the ministry's top priorities, as a significant number of students are now engaged in online classes due to the COVID pandemic.